challenges lie in the waves of the vast ocean. Navigating the ocean's waves is not an impossible challenge, but will it guide us toward the path to success? Vessels at sea are on their own while traveling to their destinations. Given the amount of economic and trade development in recent years, the volume of imports and exports has risen, leading to an increased demand for transport. As a result, a growing number of clients are looking for new partners in the shipping business. Ocean shipping has become the main link in the global supply chain. Facing these new development opportunities, Vsico has proactively transformed itself by investing incrementally in a larger fleet while simultaneously improving service quality in order to meet the future's huge market demand. Today, Vsico has built a successful ocean shipping and multimodal transport service system focusing on high quality, consistency, professionalism, and effectiveness. Vsico was founded in 2007. Based in Hanoi, Vsico's branches and agencies are located in hub ports across Vietnam and Asia. In 2008, the company invested in a fleet of container trucks and vessels, as well as a large number of containers. Vsico started its shipping service with a main domestic route linking Haiphong and Ho Chi Minh City. In 2009, Vsico invested in an additional 600 TEU container vessels and opened its first international shipping service, Haiphong, Ho Chi Minh, Bangkok, Liam Chabang. Pursuing its business expansion strategy, in 2015 the company continued expanding its fleet and opened a new international feeder service from Haiphong to Hong Kong, thus opening new opportunities for feeder transport services in Asia. In the next 5 years, Vsico plans to refit and enlarge its existing fleet to 800 to 1,000 TEUs per vessel in order to operate on the main shipping routes including Haiphong, Ho Chi Minh, as well as other intra-Asia feeder routes. In addition to the fleet development plan, Vsico has set 2020 as the target to complete investment in an advanced storage system and a light truck fleet. Based on Vsico's existing system, these advances will improve consolidation and the company's distribution system. In turn, this will allow the synchronization of the transportation chain with the ultimate goal of maximizing the benefits to customers. Following the guiding principles of dedication, credibility, professionalism, effectiveness, Vsico never stops making every effort to improve itself and to bring customers the highest quality, most reliable, and most secure services. Having spent years sparing no effort in order to perfect our service, Vsico has earned a reputation at the top of shipping and logistic companies in Vietnam. Currently, Vsico owns a strong fleet of container ships and container trucks, as well as an impressive number of containers, and provides services including Haiphong Ho Chi Minh domestic service, 3 trips per week departing from each port. Haiphong Hong Kong international service, 1 trip per week departing from each port, scheduled to increase to 2 trips per week. Subletting service on vessels, containers, and trucks. Transport services including door-to-door and multimodal transport. Warehousing services and a logistics center. Having an annual mean throughput of hundreds of thousands of TEUs at domestic ports, Vsico is one of the leading domestic shipping and logistics service suppliers in Vietnam. Vsico has earned its prestige through its reliability and exceptional shipping capability. Following the company's motto, client-centered service, Vsico is committed to providing ocean shipping and logistics services with the highest level of professionalism, care, and effectiveness, in addition to the most competitive prices, the highest level of operational safety for both ships and cargo, reliable shipping schedules, a reliable supply of quality shipping containers, fast, punctual, safe, and effective door-to-door transport services. professional and dedicated staff. At Vsico, we have always believed that close relationships create success. At the same time, we are aware that our success only comes from the success of our partners. Vsico strives to contribute directly to the success of its partners. Along with building and training a team of qualified staff to proficiently and professionally execute assigned tasks, Vsico continually focuses on building a business culture that emphasizes dedication and engagement, both within the company as well as with each and every partner. At Vsico, all initiatives are aimed at creating a complete door-to-door supply chain solution in order to satisfy every customer's need. The highest quality is ensured by close employee contact and careful coordination within the company in order to optimize transport capacity and solutions. Maximum quality can only be generated through close relationships and harmonious coordination between Vsico and all of its auxiliary suppliers. Thanks to those efforts, Vsico has created a competitive advantage in offering a convenient, fast, and safe warehouse-to-warehouse transport service. This advantage extends not only to domestic service, but also to international service through minimizing costs, which leads to increased profits and competitiveness for Vsico's customers. Vsico could not have been such a success without building strong ties and mutually supportive relationships with its partners and customers.
Tôi đánh giá cao dịch vụ của Vsico thông qua tính chuyên nghiệp cũng như là sự nhiệt tình tận tâm của cán bộ công nhân viên Vsico. Chính vì thế, công ty chúng tôi đã sử dụng dịch vụ của Vsico trong suốt 7 năm qua. Cho tới nay, tôi nghĩ rằng chất lượng container, lịch tàu ổn định và tính chuyên nghiệp, cập nhật thông tin thường xuyên đã tạo nên sự khác biệt cũng như là uy tín của công ty Vsico. Tôi hy vọng sẽ được tiếp tục sử dụng dịch vụ của Vsico trong thời gian tới.
In the end, Vsico understands that trust is the most sustainable value bonding Vsico with its customers, bonding customer success with Vsico's success. All of our effort is dedicated to building that trust. Vsico will continue improving service quality, developing new logistic services, and new service routes in order to increase our competitiveness and meet the demands of customers, both local and international. Everything leads to one goal: to become a trusted partner of every customer. Vsico, linked together, success together.